Everybody, my name is Yogita. I am from Bangalore. I work as assistant professor in one engineering college. So about meditation, I didn't know much, but only thing I got introduced to meditation is I read lot of books. So basically, I grew up in one dysfunctional family. So a lot of inner child issues were there, but inner child concept and all I didn't know that time. But in one book they had, once we go into that body scanning meditation, whatever we say into our mind, it will heal. So that was my first experience. Whatever one childhood incident was, I remembered. So I got healed completely. So that was one incident. So I didn't know much about meditation. So, and in all books they say, usually in all self-help books, all great people will do meditation. So 5 minutes in 1 month maybe I used to do, and I was like, oh, I did meditation. So only that I knew. That was very difficult for me to concentrate on breathing actually. So no, I was, when I saw this program, I didn't have any expectation. I just wanted to know more about meditation. But only my biggest thing was, okay, so because here I cannot sleep alone. Actually, I have some fear. So fear of darkness. So I booked dormitory. So it was like, usually even though I'm a professor, but I'm most of an introvert person. I usually don't talk much. So I told my husband, oh, I'm feeling like I'm going for a big boss. No mobile, 10 more people. I don't know how I'll deal. Lot of questions they'll ask, that to females. They'll do all gossips, judgment. But still I wanted to come here because I wanted to know about meditation. But here once I came, I'm really glad. All my roommates, I got very sweet people. And that also I was thinking, okay, I saw the this one schedule. I was like, okay, 7 hours of meditation, that will be huge for me because only 5 minutes I did. But then Mauna, I told Mauna is not a problem. I usually want to, introverts usually, right, Mauna is not a problem. Other things, anyway, wisdom session I always like because I always like wisdom, any kind of knowledge. Shamadan also not a problem. So, but after I came here, I came to know it is not only outer conversation you have to stop, it is inner. Because being an introvert, we usually talk innermost. So outer was not problem for me, and I was happy all my other people are also like not talking, so I was comfortable. But inner chattering was, that also helped me. And other things, for me all the sessions were nice. All wisdom sessions I really enjoyed. Everybody, whoever came and explained, that was nice. Even food was good, volunteer service, everything I liked. And little funny incidents I wanted to say because it's not like always serious for me, meditation. Yeah, really till day 2 I was very difficult because when I came to dormitory, usually I expected I did 5 minutes of meditation. So somebody will ask, how many minutes of meditation you will do? So one of my roommate asked, how many hours of meditation you do? Hours? I do only 5 minutes. I told them, okay, how many minutes you will do? I do for 2 hours, but people do more. I was like, oh my God, really? How come somebody can sit for long? So, but I managed after day 3, from 5 minutes to at least 3 hours of continuous meditation. For me, it is a success, really. So, some of the funny incidents will be in King's Chamber. I didn't know somebody climbs, vibration will be coming, that kind of thing. Oh my God, so much, that experience I am getting. That I came to know anyway. Continuously, nobody can get after 5 minutes experience. Then one day it was very dark in King's Chamber. So some light was coming. I was like, oh my God, is it enlightenment? How come suddenly in 2 days I got enlightenment? Then I remembered, no, it is cameraman giving us light, not enlightenment. So one is that thing, and everything was very good, especially Sagar sir, I really miss your sessions. And how you made us feel, because that cake cutting session or dance session, that was all extra, right? It is not maybe part of but how you made us feel, that is one thing.
Pyramid Valley International has organized this stillness retreat, and all the components of stillness retreat have been planned in an optimal manner. There are 4 days of pure silence, 7 hours of meditation every day, 2 hours of service or seva every day, and enough wisdom sessions for you to get to know what to do during stillness. Patriji says, be still, know thyself. That is the whole goal of the 7-day stillness retreat being conducted by Pyramid Valley International.